Hi guys, this is Malika, and today I wanted to share with you this hair pack recipe, which I found very similar to like getting a hair spa done, because my hair are legit feeling like so smooth, so smooth. Okay, I remember when I was a kid, there was like this auntie in my society who used to put like an entire egg on her head every Sunday, and I was like, gross. But it actually does work. Now I can't get myself to put the yellow because I still can't bear the smell. But my hair are feeling so light and like amazing. Egg whites are known to have a lot of protein and like help build the hair follicle again. I've also used like coconut milk. Coconut milk has a lot of minerals, as well as coconut oil comes out from it, so it's very moisturizing. And I've also used methi seeds, fenugreek. So fenugreek is supposed to have antifungal properties and cleans out your scalp very well. Please try this at home. You will not regret it. My hair are feeling amazing. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, do all those things, support me, and let's get started.
Okay, so here we are. Let's get started. I am separating the egg white from the egg yellow. The reason I do not add the yellow, if you are daring enough to do it, but I can't bear the smell. And I feel like the egg white is what helps the most, so I have gotten rid of the yellow now. Some people actually even use the yellow. I don't know, I just can't get myself to do it, but please go ahead and use the yellow if you feel you can. I am now adding coconut milk. I'm using the normal one from the Tetra pack that you get, I think Dabur. Putting it into the mixer. And coconut oil. This one's a cold pressed one that I buy from the wood churner. There's a company here called Ramakrishna Mill that makes it, so we use that. And methi seeds. You're going to blend it till it becomes very smooth, and the methi seeds have become like mixed into it. Okay, it's time to apply the hair pack on our hair now. So here's the mixture, and I'm going to just roughly apply it to my hair and get to like the roots. Actually, later I realized sectioning is a good idea, so I tied my crown up and I'm going through the hair at the bottom first, going to the scalp. Thoroughly apply it all over your hair. Now, this quantity was suitable for my hair, okay, which is like medium length. If you have like really long hair, I suggest you make double the recipe, or sometimes even 3 times, depending on what your requirement is, right? So do that and apply it all over your hair. So after 30 minutes, I went ahead and washed my hair like I normally do with like
To like
shampoo
every part of your head.
and the result was amazing. I'm massaging it in, getting to the roots. And then I'm just going to tie my hair up so it all just sits together. The leftover in the katori I'm just putting on my face because I don't like to waste, and I feel like all the ingredients might just be good for my face too. Egg whites are like very good for your skin is what I've heard, so I'm just putting the leftover on my face. And then I'm going to sit it out for like 30 minutes. I have listed all the benefits of these ingredients in the previous slide. I hope you enjoy this pack. Please give it a try. It will not fail you. This is an amazing recipe. So please try it at home. Bye.